Do you know how to graph a linear function? To do this, you're going to need the slope and the y-intercept. Write this down in your notebook. Now let's look at a function. The function of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Now, do you remember slope-intercept form? Take just a minute. Slope-intercept form is when an equation is written in the form y equals mx plus b. Remember from an earlier concept that fx is interchangeable with y. So when an equation is in this form, such as this one is, the function of x equals 2x plus 1, we can use things we've learned in another concept to figure out the slope and the y-intercept. Let's see how that's done. Now remember, when an equation is in the slope-intercept form of y equals mx plus b, then the value in this spot is the slope, and the value in this spot is the y-intercept. Now we can actually graph this equation. The slope is 2 over 1 and the y-intercept is 1. Let's graph it on the coordinate grid. Let's start by graphing the y-intercept. Now we can graph the slope. We go up 2 and over 1. Now we can draw our line. Here is the graph of the function. The function of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Let's graph another one. Here's our equation. Negative 2x plus y equals 6. The first thing you can notice is that this is not written in function notation. It's not even written in the form y equals mx plus b. So we're going to need to switch things around to get y alone so that we can rewrite this into function notation. We have a negative 2x. We're going to add 2x so that we can get y alone. We do that to both sides of the equation. Y equals 2x plus 6. Now we have our equation in the form y equals mx plus b. Let's change it to function notation. Fx equals 2x plus 6. Now we can actually figure out the slope and the y-intercept and then graph this equation. Again, our slope is here of 2 and our y-intercept is a positive 6. We start by graphing the y-intercept. Now we graph the slope. And finally, we can draw in our line. Here is the graph of the function 2x plus 6. And with this, our work is complete.